Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you Instagram broadcast channel not showing. To start, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Here tap on plus icon. As you can see, your desired option has not appeared on the screen. Now go back and open your Play Store. Then search for Instagram. Here you need to update your Instagram application. Now go back to Instagram. Then go to your profile and tap on the plus icon. As you can see, the broadcast channel option has not appeared on the screen yet. Tap on Menu. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Help. Then tap on Report a Problem. After that, tap on Report a Problem. Here, tap on Don't Include and Continue. Then type your report as shown in the screen. You can write it the same way as I'm writing, or you can write it in your own words. Just make sure to be as detailed as possible. After that, tap on Done. Instagram will soon resolve your problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.